Welcome. The goal of this learning is to create this web app. We are doing what? There is a situation when we are long on a stock. And if you don't know what is getting long on a stock means, then here is some simple explanation. So when we are long on a stock, it means we purchase the shares of a company and we hold them, and there is an expectation that price would rise and then I will make profit, and eventually you wait and eventually you sell the stock and you sell it at a price higher than at what you purchased it, then you make a profit. So this app calculates that profit or loss depending upon how and when you sell it at various sale prices. What is the profit and loss? This app is computing that. So here in this app we have a first slider, right, which gives us initial stock price, at what price we purchased it. You can have the price between $10 to $14, how much quantity you purchased, 100 shares or 1,000 shares, and what is the cost of each trade. Some trading platforms don't charge any cost, so there is a $0 option also, and at the most it is $10, which is the cost of the trade. These are the particulars, these are the inputs that go into the program, and these are three of them, and then the interpretation happens. Let us go to the default situation. At default, the initial price is assumed at $12, quantity bought is 500, and cost of trade is $1. So at this situation, right, when you sell it at $10, you have the loss of $1,002. Why? Because you purchased it at 12 and you are selling it at 10. Definitely there will be loss. Moreover, there is a cost of each trade as well. So similarly, the loss will be minus $502. Loss of $502, I mean, when spot price is 11. Spot price just means at what market price you sold it. So this way, at various spot prices which are given on x-axis, going from $10 to $20, the various situations for profit and loss is given. And the interesting thing is that this graph is reactive. The moment you change anything on the sliders, the graph accordingly changes. And whenever there is a loss, it is represented in red, and whenever there is a profit, it is represented in green. So let us create this app. Here I have created this folder 07 underscore qf underscore app, and in this one I have already created app.py and requirements.txt. App.py is here, requirements.txt would look something like that. But here you see that I am getting one error message, right? And let us go to this directory, change directory 07 underscore qf underscore app. In this directory we have not installed matplotlib, because this is where we are getting this message. And let us do that. Pip install matplotlib, and here it is getting installed. It will take couple of minutes here, and you see that here the error message has gone away. And we have app.py, we have .requirements .txt, we set up the virtual environment in the previous apps, so everything seems to be okay. Let us try running it and see how it goes. It has started the process and it has opened the connection, and the app seems to be working fine. I will open it in the browser, and here is the fully functional app that we saw earlier. So this way, keep on experimenting, have fun coding. I will see everybody next time.